Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to create this animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, first of all, let's import 3D models. Go to project and right click import file. And first let's choose ghost. Choose this GLB model. Let's see properties. This is GLB and let's go to import. And we can see preview here. Let's drag and drop into compensation. We can switch to advanced 3D render. Click OK. And again OK. And for move the anchor point center, hold Ctrl, double click pen behind icon. And clicization tool, let's move it down like this. So let's go to again import file and back to 3D models. Let's open Haunted Scary 3 and let's import, drag and drop into compensation. Click OK and again move the anchor point to center and move it down. Let's move to left. Again let's import back to 3D models and spooky haunted house and import, drag and drop into compensation. Click OK, move to right and move the anchor point to center. And let's model, let's import again witch hat and import. Let's drag and drop compensation and OK. Also don't forget move the anchor point to center. So in this time let's select this model, let's move to down and change name 1 and this goes 2, spooky 3 and hat 4. Okay, so in this time let's select this model 2, 3 and 4. Let's link to model 1 and select model 1. Let's move to here and let's enable title action save and let's go to properties. Let's change scale like this. Okay, in this time select this model 2 and move to like this. Let's change scale a little bit. Okay, and model 3. Let's move to left and down. Change scale. And model 4. Let's move to here. Select these 2, 3, 4 models and hide for now. Select this model 1. Let's press S. And let's go to here, let's create scale keyframe and go to back, change scale 0. And make it keyframes easy or click F9. Let's see. Okay, back to keyframes and let's zoom to graph. Make smooth graph like this. Back to keyframes and let's hold shift press R for open rotation. And right now we can change Z axis rotation. Let's change rotation like this. And create Z rotation. Go to here and change rotation like this. Make the keyframes easy. Let's see. Okay, move to right, let's keyframe. And let's go to 10 keyframes. Right here, minus 12. Let's change rotation like this. Again, 10 keyframes. Change to right. Again, change to left. And again. So let's see. Select less 5 keyframes. Hold Alt, move to left. Let's move to left more. Okay, we can delete some keyframes here. Let's delete this keyframe and move to left. Nice. So in this time, go to 5 keyframes and create Z rotation and go to 5 keyframes. Let's change rotation like this and go to here, change rotation to right. Okay, again go to 10 keyframes, change to left again, change to right again. Okay, let's preview animation. Nice. So in this time I'm gonna show you very easy trick for 3D model transform. Go to choose this model 1 and edit, split layer or Ctrl Shift D and delete. Select model 2. Let's enable And let's split like this part, zoom to here. Okay, let's see. Nice. Okay, in this time go to 5 keyframes, create new rotation keyframe, and go to here. Again, let's change to right, and go to here, change to left. Okay, go to 10 keyframes, change to right, again to left and right for bounce and wiggle animation. Let's see. Nice. Let's select this model 2 and let's see timing. Okay, and this time go to edit and split layer, delete, and enable model 3, and let's cut this part. Let's see. Okay, that's good. And go to here, let's create Z rotation keyframe, go to 5 keyframes, let's change to left, and go to here, change rotation like this, and go to 10 keyframes, change to left, again 10 keyframe, to right again, and again. Let's choose work area. Select last keyframes, move to here. Okay, and this time we can choose this model 3 and split, delete, select this model 4, enable. Nice. Let's choose work area, preview full animation, and also don't forget to cut this part. Okay, let's preview animation. Okay, not bad. So for better results, we can improve keyframes for more smooth, more dynamic, and with bounce keyframes. And for add motion blur, let's choose these models and right click, go to composition, pre-comps, add name 3D models, and OK. Back to 3D object composition and go to FX presets, search effect pixel motion blur, and let's use for this composition. And right now we can see motion blur here, and let's see difference. Okay, we can change shutter angle. Let's write here 360 and samples 10. So guys, thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments, and have a good days. Good luck.